Want to create stunning videos without all the hassle? If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to make high-quality videos, I've got something amazing to share with you. After running a professional video production company for 15 years and making over 1,500 YouTube videos, I'm always on the hunt for faster, easier ways to create standout content. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to V, the most powerful and intuitive AI video creation platform I've seen so far. In this video, I'll walk you through how V can help creators, businesses, and teams produce professional videos in just minutes, no editing experience needed. And yes, they partnered with me to bring you this breakdown, but I genuinely think this tool can change how you approach video creation. V is an AI-powered video creation platform designed to handle everything in one place, from scripting to editing to final export. Instead of juggling 10 different apps and subscriptions, V partners with top AI tools like OpenAI, NVIDIA, 11 Labs, and DID to give you a seamless, all-in-one workflow. Create a video from just a prompt. Once you log into V, just head over to the Create tab, start a new project, and boom, you can generate a video from a simple text prompt. Want an example? I typed. We're announcing the relaunch of our AI education platform Skill Leap AI. Hit generate, and V automatically creates a script, voiceover, background music, and subtitles, all in seconds. You can choose between short-form content for social media or longer YouTube videos, making it super flexible. Once your video is generated, customizing it is insanely easy. Swap stock footage or upload your own clips, just drag and drop. Edit subtitles directly on screen. Change background music with a click, or upload your own track. Want to add AI avatars? V has a whole library of lifelike avatars, or you can clone yourself into an avatar for personalized videos. Just paste in your script, and the avatar will bring it to life, no need for separate subscriptions or tools. V also lets you set up a brand kit so all your videos follow your brand identity. Upload logos, fonts, brand colors, and audio intros. Instantly apply your branding to every new project. Perfect for businesses or creators looking for consistency across content. If you're like me, you want to get the most mileage out of every video. V lets you resize videos for any platform, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, with just one click. No more tedious cropping. Even better? You can auto-create clips from long videos. Just paste a YouTube link. V will generate short clips, optimized for platforms like TikTok and Shorts. It analyzes flow, impact, clarity, and relevance to give you the best clips ranked by score. Huge time saver for creators looking to repurpose content fast. Now, this is my favorite feature, Magic Cuts. If you've ever recorded a long video full of awkward pauses or redundant takes, you need this. Here's how it works. Upload your raw footage. Click Magic Cuts. V automatically removes silences, filler words, and duplicate takes, all in seconds. I uploaded an 8.5-minute video, and Magic Cuts trimmed it down to just under 5 minutes, cutting out all the fluff. Now, instead of spending an hour editing, I only need to review a polished draft. On top of everything, V offers auto subtitles in seconds, fully editable. Background noise removal, perfect if you don't have a pro studio. Background removal, even without a green screen. Tons of customizable templates, or build your own for consistent content themes. Whether you're a solo creator, a business, or a marketing team, V can handle everything from explainer videos and ads to social media clips and YouTube content. I've been in video production a long time, and trust me, V makes it ridiculously easy. If you're ready to skip the tech headache and start creating awesome videos fast, definitely give it a try. I'll drop a link in the description so you can test V out for free. Thanks to V for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.